Pembroke Welsh Corgi genetics, the mystery of the fluffy tail. Pembroke Welsh Corgis are undeniably adorable dogs that have captured the hearts of many dog lovers around the world. With their short legs, long bodies, and perky ears, these dogs are an unmistakable breed. But have you ever wondered about the genetics behind their most distinctive feature, the fluffy tail? In this video, we will uncover the mystery of the Pembroke Welsh Corgi's fluffy tail and delve into the world of genetics to understand how it is inherited. To begin our exploration, it is important to note that the Pembroke Welsh Corgi and the Cardigan Welsh Corgi, though both hailing from Wales, are two distinct breeds. The Pembroke Welsh Corgi is the more popular of the two and can be recognized by its lack of a tail or a very short tail. This trait has been a point of curiosity for many dog enthusiasts. The fluffy tail of the Pembroke Welsh Corgi is a result of a genetic mutation known as the fluffy gene. This gene is responsible for the growth of longer and denser fur in the tail region. The fluffy gene is inherited in a dominant manner, meaning that if a Pembroke Welsh Corgi carries even one copy of the gene, it will have a fluffy tail. Interestingly, the fluffy gene is thought to have originated from a spontaneous mutation in the Pembroke Welsh Corgi population. This mutation resulted in a change in the DNA sequence that regulates the growth of the tail fur. As a result, Corgis carrying this mutation began to display the fluffy tail trait. When it comes to breeding these adorable fluffy-tailed Corgis, it is essential to consider the genetics. To produce puppies with a fluffy tail, both parents must carry at least one copy of the fluffy gene. If one parent carries the gene and the other does not, there is a 50% chance that the offspring will inherit the fluffy tail trait. If both parents do not carry the gene, the puppies will have the traditional short tail. It is worth noting that breeding for the fluffy tail trait must be done responsibly. While the fluffy tail may be an endearing feature, it is important to prioritize the overall health and well-being of the breed. Breeders should focus on maintaining genetic diversity and avoiding any potential health issues associated with the fluffy gene. Health concerns have been raised regarding the Pembroke Welsh Corgi's fluffy tail. The elongated and denser fur in the tail region can often lead to skin problems, such as fungal infections or dermatitis, if proper care is not taken. Grooming and regular maintenance of the fluffy tail are essential to prevent any complications and keep the dog comfortable. In conclusion, the fluffy tail of the Pembroke Welsh Corgi is a fascinating trait that is the result of a genetic mutation known as the fluffy gene. This gene is inherited in a dominant manner, and if a Corgi carries even one copy of the gene, it will have a fluffy tail. However, breeding for the fluffy tail should be done responsibly, with a focus on maintaining genetic diversity and ensuring the overall health of the breed. With proper care and attention, these fluffy-tailed Corgis can continue to melt hearts and bring joy to dog lovers worldwide.